Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you again to an interesting video. Here we are going to teach you how to make some unique and lovely crafts. So just join these paper sheets together and get a beautiful crown made. Here you have to get a bow-like shape, then you have to decorate it further and paste it over the crown like this. Pretty cool. Now get the shells of a walnut, get the clay pressed into it, and then you have to paste this and get the tortoise made in this form. Next, what are we going to do? You have to get the sheets folded along the lines in this manner. Then you have to get them pressed into this way. Here what we are going to do next, you have to get the sheets folded from the corners as well and get them beautifully arranged in this manner. Get them locked up in this position and your packet is ready. You have to make this handbag and this is pretty cute. Now here you have to get the sheets, make it into this form, get the designer one, and now you have to just fold them into this manner one over the other, and let's see what are we going to get. Keep on folding from the middle. You need to give it a shape like this. Get them folded into a triangular folds and then inside you have to fold it inwardly. Now let's see from the upper side, from the middle you need to interlock it in this position, and let's see what in the end are we going to get. Further, you keep on getting the folds in this manner and get them arranged in this form. Let's see what in the end are we going to get. You have to make a pattern like this. Keep on folding the sheets in this manner as we are showing here. Get them neatly folded and attached in this form. And here your sheet is ready. Get 2 or 3 more. You have to just interlock them into this pattern in this form. Just keep on making this and arrange it into this matter and this is ready. Now get the candies. You have to open it, this jelly like candy, and then get the wrappers in the sheet. Now let's see what are we going to do. You have to arrange them into this manner. Now secure them, get them into a round shape position and get a beautiful flower made. Isn't it cool? I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Now here getting another sheet of paper, again you have to get the folds along the lines in this manner, get them pretty folds in this way, then from the top you need to give it a fold in this manner. Again you have to press it with the help of your fingers and get them beautifully arranged in this way. Now from both the sides you need to fold it along the lines and let's see what are we going to get. You again have to get the folds in this manner, attach it and you are done with it. Now here also you have to fold it along the lines in this way. Now from both the corners you need to give it a fold like this. Now what are we going to do? From the left and right side you need to get them securely tight. Now get them beautifully arranged into this one over the other, interlock it into a cylindrical pattern and just fold the pattern in between and get them beautifully arranged like this. Keep on folding the sheets like this and get them arranged in this form. Let's see what in the end are we going to get. From the corners you need to give the beautiful folds like this and make it a little curvy. Then get another sheet pressed into it in this manner. Now get the stick inside and your tank is ready. Isn't it amazing?